Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Dyson vacuum not working after cleaning filter, reset and suction troubleshooting. Fix 1. Let the filter dry completely. Remove the filter from the vacuum, then wash it with cold water only. Shake out excess water, then let the filter air dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. Reinstall the filter and turn on the vacuum. Second one is reinstall the filter correctly. Turn off and unplug the vacuum, then remove the filter. Check that it is clean, dry and undamaged. Insert the filter back into its slot until it fits securely. Then turn on the vacuum and check if it's work. Third one is reset the Dyson vacuum. Turn off the vacuum, then remove the battery. Wait for about 60 seconds, then reinstall the battery or reconnect the power. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, then test the vacuum. Fourth one is check for blockage. Remove the vent, cleaner head and dustbin. Then look inside all airways for dirt or debris. Then remove any blockage using your hand or a soft brush. Reassemble the vacuum, turn it on and check the suction. Fifth one is check for overheating. Turn off the vacuum, then let it cool for 30 to 60 minutes. Make sure the filter is completely dry, then remove any blockage, restart the vacuum. Thanks for watching.